Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use a bot that helps you schedule an appointment for the technical inspection of your car in Spain. In the Google search, I type Cita ITV bot. Since the bot doesn't have a website, I need to find its YouTube channel. Once on the channel, there's a link to the Telegram bot in the channel description. Click on the link, and a new window will open where you need to press send message. Now, we enter the chat. It's a simple bot, and I start it. On the left menu, you can change the language. The bot supports 7 languages, which is convenient for foreigners. I choose English. Great, the language is changed. Let's check. I press start again, and I see that the bot responded in English. Excellent. Next, I click on the number, and the bot asks to enter the vehicle registration number. For example, let's enter any number. Now the bot asks where we will undergo the technical inspection. I'll choose Majorca as an example. Next, I specify the inspection station and fill in the standard vehicle details. Now, the bot suggests selecting dates for the appointment. I choose February, for example, on Mondays because I don't work on Mondays. Confirm all the details and wait. The bot usually checks the data for a few seconds, and if there are no errors, it starts looking for available appointments. Otherwise, it displays an error message for incorrect data. If there's no error message, and the bot doesn't respond, there might be no available appointments soon, and it's advisable to change the inspection station. Here, it sent a message with available dates. I see that there are no available appointments in the near future. I can click Get More Notifications and wait. Often, someone cancels an appointment and it becomes available again. In such cases, the bot will inform us, and we need to react quickly to get the available appointment. Now, I'll just change the inspection station. Perhaps another one will have more available appointments. I click on Change Details and fill everything again. I'll delete this message. It's no longer needed. A tip for me: in chat settings, you can change the notification sound to distinguish messages from the bot from other chats. This is useful to quickly respond and secure an appointment before someone else takes it. I received a message with new dates, and I see there are available appointments for the next week. Now, it's simple. Just scroll up and click on the link leading to the official website where you can secure your appointment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for the latest updates, and be sure to share this bot with your friends.